Alright everybody, you ready for this AKG Y50 Bluetooth headphone review? Let's go! Alright everybody, I'm about to go ahead and unbox the brand new, well, to me brand new, AKG, you know what I'm saying, by Harman, YB50BTs, you know what I'm saying, on-ear Bluetooth headphones. Man, let me give you the tour of the box and everything. Got some AKG branding, estimated 1947. 47 was my number in football because I hit hard back in the days and everything. People on the other side got a layout of the headphone and everything, and it tells you what button does which and everything, which is pretty damn cool and smooth. Yes, sir. Then on the back, you got some information over here to your left, but to the right here, it tells you how many hours it lasts. 20 hours of battery life. That's what's up. And people, I got these for a steal. They're on sale at Samsung.com for $49.99. That's $139 off the regular retail price. All right, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, had to grab my Ginsu again, you know what I'm saying, my Oster knife and everything. Salute to Oster, they make good clippers too. I'm a barber, in case you didn't know. Right, oops, I almost stabbed my damn self. This one over here to the damn left is this a little rebellious bastard over here. Okay, I got it. All right, cool, let me go ahead and flip this open. Box these headphones. Let's get it. All right, cool, the packaging so far is pretty decent, you know what I'm saying? Of course, I'm getting some $150 headphones for $139, for 40, let me do this shit over. Okay, inside the box, this is what you get, you know what I'm saying? Nice little layout, flush mounted and everything. Got the nice little AKG logo on the side. Looks pretty damn good, yes sir. And I see already I'm liking this right here, because on them Sony headphones that I reviewed, that stuff right there was all plastic or whatever it was, and it hurt my damn head. Then up under the damn box, the packaging box, this came. So I'm gonna rip this open and see what it is. It's an AKG carrying pouch for your headphones. Not bad, soft material and everything. Then it's something on the inside. And on the inside, you have your 1/8 inch cable, you know what I'm saying, cable to cable, just in case your battery wear out and you want to just go ahead and plug it in, and your micro USB cable. That's what's up. Then the usual books and everything, you know, it is what it is. Let's get to these headphones. All right, everybody, they're outside of the box and everything, so they're fully exposed. Very, very, very lightweight. Not bad at all. Let me zoom out some so you guys can see more. Not bad at all, not bad at all. The thing that I'm noticing too, the ear cushions, hella soft. Yes. Same thing for the headband. Not bad at all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rotating ear cuffs, which is a plus, you know what I'm saying? On the left speaker, you have the USB charger port and the noise canceling microphone on this one. Then on the right ear, you know what I'm saying, the right speaker, you have the forward skip track button. In the middle though, this is gonna throw you off probably a little bit. I gotta get used to this. The middle button right here is for answering and hanging up on calls and everything. Then the minus button, of course, skip back a track for whatever song you were playing. Right there, you know what that is, the headphone, the headphone aux cable jack, so you can go ahead and hook it straight up to your phone with no battery charge or anything. If your battery runs dead, no problem. They include that within the box, the 1/8 inch cable, excuse me. Then right next to that is the power button, the indicator light, the Bluetooth indicator light and everything. And right here is the microphone. Yes, sir, yes, sir. So far, I'm really feeling the build of it. And for 50 bucks, you can't beat it. So enough of me yapping, I'm finna throw these on, see what they sound like. Let's go. Man, let me tell y'all right now, for 50 bucks, for $49.99, these right here are a steal. Man, these sound like some $100-something headphones they once were. So people, if you can, I'm not being paid by Samsung or AKG or none of that about these damn headphones. Go on over there to Samsung.com right now and get these headphones for $49.99. They are worth it, no question about it. Man, the lows are nice and rich and everything. The highs were on point and the mids were just where they needed to be. Yes, indeed, people. Where them damn headphones at? Where are they? I'm looking for them. Where they are? Here they are. These ain't these. These are damn Sonys that I reviewed, what was that, a month or two or so ago? These ain't these. These right here sound like trash. Nah. I paid what? Around the same price for these. Trash. I'm gonna get those away. These AKGs though, people, they get the damn Tanna stamp of approval. Put a stamp on them, no question about it. Well, all right, everybody, that just about does it for this one. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up, because that's official. And I really appreciate it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanna, then do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody. Get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. The $50 holla. What can I say? Nice job, AKG and Samsung. You did.